Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link Outlook with Microsoft Teams. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is head on over to outlook.live.com and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, we want to go ahead and click on the Teams icon. So click on the Teams and that's going to open up Teams in a new tab. Now, once you've successfully logged in over here on Teams, head back to Outlook, and then from here, click on the calendar, and then create. If you want to go ahead and create a new event, we can link Teams this way as well. So we can add a title, invite attendees, give some content here, change the time, and on the right hand side of add a title, we can go ahead and enable this. And now doing this, Outlook's going to automatically create a unique Microsoft Teams link. Meeting details are inserted into the invite. So the body of Outlook event will include join Microsoft Teams meeting link, dial-in information if your org or has team audio conference enabled, instructions for joining via web or Teams app.